Alright, Billy here, Valley Stream, New York, on Long Island. I got a storm coming my way. It was severe, but I believe it's weakening. Today is July 8th, 2025, and it's like 7:30 p.m. I've been out here for a half hour trying to record, and I haven't gotten anything. Now as I'm about to head in, it's really starting to look threatening, the sky. But this is definitely not a severe storm. It was severe, but it's weakened quite a bit. Special weather statement just issued for my location, and I just saw a lightning flash. Strong thunderstorm. Probably, I don't know, I couldn't see the text of the special weather statement, but I would say probably wind gusts to 40 miles per hour. Let's see what happens here. Here comes the wind. I don't have a lot of trees around here. I am getting quite wet right now. It is raining. Been trying to catch a boat for well over a half hour now. Oh, that was pretty cool. I'm gonna have to move up front because it's starting to rain now pretty hard. It seems like almost a replay of my last video. But the wind is not as strong. Plane taking off, trying to avoid came out of Kennedy Airport, which is about 4.5 miles to my west. Maybe not even that far to the runways. Now I'm gonna head in. Oh, good flash there. I'm getting wet. I'm standing out here getting wet. This is crazy. It's not pouring or anything, man, but it's raining. The drops are pretty good sized drops. It's just light. But the drops are, like I said, the drops are kind of big. Yeah, this storm was severe, but it definitely weakened. I am really starting to get wet. It's time to move. Another plane, look at that. Wow. Taken right off in the storm. Crazy. I'm surprised they let that plane take off. There could be wind shear. I'm moving up front because I'm getting wet. You can hear the ACs now. Let me turn the light on. Wind is picking up again. No lightning though. Wind is really ripping across the street there. Or it was. Well, I'm not getting much lightning, so I'm gonna head in and see what the radar's doing. Alright, let's take a look at what's going on here. Yeah, we can tell right. My location is right at this red dot. There's lightning around. The severe thunderstorm warnings are all canceled. The only thing that's in effect is special marine warnings. So the sea breeze again did it again. They were nice and strong there, and then they just weakened. Alright. I'm gonna stop this video and review it and see if I should put it on YouTube or not. Probably not. Or maybe. I don't know.